herzlich willkommen.
Hello and welcome. Today I would like to demonstrate the advantages of our innovative true image technology and how it works. My name is Thilo Schlicksbier and I'm a product manager at HEIDENHAIN. Encoders with true image technology distinguish themselves by being particularly immune to liquid contamination and condensation. That's why we use this technology in many of our optical encoders for machine tools. One important advantage is that these encoders do not require any purge air. This has a positive effect on the carbon footprint and also reduces the user's operating costs. Additionally, this lowers the OEM's installation costs since the components for supplying the compressed air can be omitted. At the same time, the machine's availability increases because the danger of downtime resulting from contaminated encoders can be minimized. But how does this work exactly? Let me show you on our demo unit. Here we see the graduation of an encoder. And here we see the effect caused by a drop of water or other liquid when scanning this type of graduation. The droplet acts as a lens that refracts the beams of light. We then have areas that are much lighter and other areas that are much darker in the sensor image. Also, the lines are bent or otherwise distorted.
Werden die Striche verbogen oder verzerrt dargestellt.
With our true image technology, we are integrating a new optical component into the encoder, thus drastically minimizing these effects. You can see it here. This part, which I will swing into place, is called a light guiding element. It catches the refracted light beams at an early stage so that they don't land on the sensor diagonally, but rather hit it straight on. The image here shows the direct effect. The light guiding element reduces the amount of area with too much light, the dark donut becomes much smaller, and there are no more distortions in the image. Without a light guiding element, you get a poor image that is difficult to evaluate and might even cause an encoder error. With a light guiding element, you get a nearly perfect image that can be evaluated easily despite the droplet contamination. In practice, true image makes optical encoder applications possible that were unthinkable just a few years ago. For example, the LC6 series of linear encoders has proven itself in tool grinding machines for several years now without needing any purge air. So see for yourself and harness the advantages of optical encoders with true image technology.